So I'm ready to take this sucker out, and I read the manual. I double checked everything to make sure it's still good. I mean, maybe I could take the cam gears off, but then I take the valve cover off, and what do I find? Oh, you can't really see it. Hold on. All right, so see that there? That is not a hex head bolt. It is a Allen head bolt. See? This Allen wrench fits in there. It's a 10 millimeter. So I can't take the head off now. I don't have my socket attachment. I did not bring it. I use that a lot on motorcycles because motorcycles have a lot of Allen heads, and well, I didn't know that this head had them. No, it doesn't really matter when I assemble it because I'm gonna stud it, but oh well. I guess I got to go get some more tools. As I'm stuck for today. I will go ahead and I'll go get the tool and take care of it. HadesOmega out. Okay, so it's evening now. After I got my tool, so here it is. It's a 10 millimeter socket thing, Allen head socket, that I need to take this out, and hopefully I don't break it. I have another one, but it's from Harbor Freight, and the head is much longer. Pretty sure I'm gonna break that one. So I don't even think, I don't know. I have a 1/2 inch set, but it doesn't have a 10 millimeter. It's crazy, right? Craziness. What madness is this? Anyway, I don't even know if a 1/2 inch will fit in there. Seems like there's a whole lot of space, except for these ones at the end. But so the process is here. You're supposed to it's not even here. Yeah, it's on like on different pages and stuff. Oh, it moved. So the head bolt removal sequence for 90 to 94 2-liter engines. So you got to start on the outsides and work your way in a box, crisscross box, and then you're supposed to do it in 3 steps according to this right here. So you just like crack it and then crack the next one, and yeah, sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but it says that you got to do it in 3 steps and start from the outside, working your way to the inside. So let's hop to it. I don't think I'll have any problems except for breaking tools. They might be on there pretty tight. Alright, so far so good. I've cracked 3 of them. A little bit. I'm going for number 4. Ah, jeez. Yeah, I'm afraid this tool's gonna break. 4, number 5. Okay, that's 4. There's 5. Should get easier once I get these. Some of them seem easier than others. Oh, jeez, the tool is bending so much. I know. I feel like I should use a 1/2 inch. Oh my god. Oh, phew. That's a lot of force. Okay. That's 5. That's okay, because when I'm putting this back together, they're going to be studs. It'll be easier. Oh, yeah. Alright, 6, 7. Oh my god. I'm glad I'm wearing gloves, that's for sure. Alright, number 8. Let's get a little more on that one. Oh my god. It just bends so much. It's not I don't think this is the best tool for this job. I just need to do this once. Whoops. Oh, okay. Hopefully none of these break. Getting a busted head bolt out sucks. Oh yeah, that's easy. Okay. That's one. Now we go back. Okay. That's two. Should be easier, hopefully. Okay. Try to go like 1/8 of a turn or something. Okay. Eighth of a turn. 5. Oh, this one's still pretty yucky. Oh! Jeez. So I didn't loosen this one too well. There we go. I basically have to like lean back. Okay. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. I mean, they should still be tight, you know, because when you're loosening one, other ones are tightening still. Damn. Okay. And then step 3. I'm gonna go 1/4 on this one. That's 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my back hurts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I highly suggest you use a half on this because, these are 3/8. No bueno. They bend too much. But that's all I had, so, and it worked. So I only have to do this once. So there you go. That was 3. So now I can just speed this up a little. Actually, I know what I can do. Alright, I know I should have used this from the get-go. But, there we go. Maybe, I don't know. Amazing, the bolts are still dry underneath. As they should be. And 10. Okay. This will be it. It's loose, and I just gotta get the cherry picker in place. Here's my lifting apparatus here. So I got my cherry picker with the longest arm, and it's going to pick that up, hopefully, and hopefully it will clear. Oh man, I don't know, the intake manifold sure is, well, what I'm hoping is that if I didn't get everything, if I miss something, it's gonna get caught. And then I'm going to be like, oh man, I got to put it back down. I don't want to have a situation where I have to put it back down. But right now it's loose. See, the head moves. I just have to, oh, actually I have to get it to clear the stud too. Oof. Well, it doesn't matter. The head has to clear the thing too. And I've propped the engine up, the hood as high as I can, to hopefully I can do it. I guess it would be just easier to enlist the aid of some people to help me lift it out. I mean, I just could not get the that intake manifold off, and then there's this stud that makes it a pain in the ass to get it off. Also, definitely not going to put that back in. So here we go. Hopefully it clears. If not, I can probably lift it up while it's in there. But this is just in case I forgot something. So I have my I didn't have a chain for this, so oh man, I can already tell it's not gonna be wide enough. Oh yeah, I forgot to take this. Forgot to take the bolts off first. Actually, let me take those bolts off first. He's getting caught on anything. Clear. Pull it up. Ah, I got it. That was a pain in the ass. Let me tell you that now.